Hello guys, welcome to Geek Squad Coding Series. I'm Vaishali Anand and today's aim is making a tic-tac-toe game using Python. So let us continue from where we left yesterday in our previous video. Now today we will start by writing buttons equals string variable var, and after this what are we going to do is we are making label. Okay, let's run it again. We left it from here. Yeah. Now what are we going to do? We are going to make labels. So label equals label tk comma text equals player 1. So what are we doing? We are making the area where the user will enter its name. We have two players in tic-tac-toe, so there will be player 1 and player 2. So we are making that. And player 1, after that we have font. Which type of font we want? Font equals times 20 and bold. And then we have PG, the background color, as white. We have FG, font color, as black. And height will be 1. Height equals 1 and width equals 8. Then we will put this label inside our grid. We will write its position. So label dot grid, and its position should be row equals 1, comma, column equals 0. After that we will make second label for player 2, right? So I will just copy and paste it, and I will change player 1 to player 2. Rest everything will be same and only the position will change. So it will be row 2. After we have created the labels, now what we have to do is we are going to make the buttons. We are going to make the positions. So button 1. First of all, we will have button 1. That will be equal to button, and it will be tk comma text. What will be the text inside the button? Nothing will be there. And after that we have font. Font will be again times 20 bold times 20 bold. We have background color here as black. We have font color as white, and height will be 4 and width will be 8. So we don't require quotes here. We can leave the quotes. Yeah. After this is done, we have some command lambda function to perform when this button is pressed. So command equals, we can write it in another line also, and let me write it here. Command equals lambda, like we did in our previous program. In the calculator program we are doing the same. So lambda button click, and on clicking the button what should it do? It should provide parameter button 1 to the button click function. That's all. And then we will write its position. So button 1 dot grid, and its position should be row equals 0. row equals 3, and we will have column that will be equal to 0. See, I have made one button and other buttons I will be copying. There is no need to write the buttons each and every time. So I will copy it from button 2 till the ninth button. Everything will be same, just the position will change and button numbers will change. After I have done this, now we have the final step to do, that is tk.main loop. tk.main loop. Let's run our code to check whether it is working. So here is our tic-tac-toe game. Let me enter player 1 name as ABC and player 2 name as XYZ, and let's play XO tic-tac-toe, and I am just pressing it anywhere and I got as ABC wins. Okay, that's great. So our code is working correct. That was all with our project. You can refer the code again if you want. You can also visit my GitHub profile for getting the source code of this project. That's all for today. Thank you and happy learning.